Something to note, you can choose not to pay for the chat feature and still be able to use the other features such as what's happening and onboard charges. Also, the chat feature does not use your Wi-Fi package that you purchased for use on the ship. To use the chat feature on the NCL app, you'll need to pay $9.95 US per device for unlimited use on the ship for calls and texts to other people on the ship. The chat will also allow you to call and receive calls from people not on the ship for a 79 cents US per minute fee. These charges will show up on your online charges section of the app. Save yourself a huge hassle and purchase the chat feature for the adults in your party before you do for the minors in your group. The minors account need to have a direct approval from an adult in the same account to be activated. So you have to have an adult account to activate the minors account. Important, each device that's paid the one-time chat fee will be given a new unique phone number that will only be good for the duration of the voyage. If you want to receive calls from people not on the ship, you will need to give them this new number. Just a reminder, there's a 79 cents US per minute rate to make or receive calls from people not on the ship. The chat feature on the NCL app works just like a regular cell phone. You will create a contact list with all the new numbers of the people in your party or people that you want to exchange texts and calls with. You can text or call just like you do on a normal cell phone. You will also receive voicemails from missed calls like you would on a normal cell phone. Just a reminder, if you did not agree to allow the NCL app to send you notices when you first open the app in onboard mode, you will not get text. You will only be notified of calls also once they've changed into voicemails and you open the app manually. Watch these videos next to see how to use the other features in the onboard